Hi, I'm Norman with Get Set Up. I'm so glad that you've discovered our organization and you've been enjoying the classes that we offer. Now I'd like to invite you to take the next step and become one of our prized ambassadors. What does an ambassador do? Well, many things. You can choose to become a guide and teach a class. You can choose to lead a discussion group where you get together with people who have similar interests to you. And you can share our organization with other people in your community and other organizations that you're a member of and help spread the word about what we offer to older adults. Whatever you choose, we really appreciate your helping us let other people know about what Get Set Up provides. And at this program, I'll tell you about all the options and we'll figure out what works best for you. I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.